we are finally moving in. Hi everybody, this is Audrey and I am coming to you again from Benjamin Roberts in our new building at 119 South Tree Drive in Lancaster, and I'm very excited for this tour and update because we are finally moving in. Our warehouse has already been operating out of this space for quite a while now, as I mentioned in previous tours. But now the remainder of our office staff and our sales staff and the rest of our team will be moving in, and we'll be working out of this location starting tomorrow. So we're very excited. There's been lots of progress on the space, beautiful new furniture, lighting, the fireplace is looking great and coming along. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done, a lot more that needs to be done, particularly on the furniture for the new showroom and some other spaces around the building. But we are eager to move in and get started getting used to our new home, and we're excited to show you the progress we've made so far. So thanks for following along. Look for more tours in the future as we continue to renovate and update our new space, but for now let me show you the progress that we've made so far before our staff moves in tomorrow.
Welcome to our new space in progress. You can see we have a small conference room in this area. Our fireplace is still under construction, but updates are being made. And in the background, you can see an office area and our showroom space. Here is our front entrance with lots of glass to show off all the beautiful sunlight coming in from the outside. And these lighting fixtures also double as acoustical products, and they're from Frash, and they make a great statement in our front entrance. Here's our small conference room. We're loving the textures and the colors of the unique furnishings in this space. It'll be a great place for small meetings to happen, and it'll look nice for people coming in our front doors. Here is another view of our beautiful open office and showroom area. You can get a sense of where the different parts of the showroom are located. Here you can see our workstations for our staff offices. This space will be filled with showroom furniture and other office space soon, and then there are our double doors. Our staff, some of them at least, will be working from these beautiful new workstations, loving the blue and the gray color palette and the soft wood. It's going to look great next to those big open windows with the beautiful trees outside. Here you can see a little close-up of our cafe area and some of the cabinetry that will be there. This is where our staff kitchen will be, as well as some additional office space that you can see in the background. The new kitchen cabinetry is in place. The appliances have gone in, and we're looking forward to being able to use this beautiful new part of our staff office space. Here are some additional staff workstations that are in progress right now. This is our design library. You can see our blue doors in the background, and this will be a place for a lot of design inspiration and design work to take place. And here you see where our chair room will be. This is where we're going to store lots of different kinds of task chairs and conference chairs and other items that we can show to you, our clients, when you come to visit us and choose some furniture for your own spaces. And finally, we have our large conference room. Eventually, this will have a large TV and some soft seating and other meeting seating. But for now, it's just got one table, but we're looking forward to the final design. So thanks for coming along on this really quick updated tour of our new space. Continue to look for more updates to come, and we will see you soon. Thank you.